Barbers and barbershops struggle because of this one massive reason. You're afraid to take feedback. Why do businesses take so much offense to a client criticizing them or a client giving a review about their experience? Instead of you to listen and take on the feedback, barbers will instead be like defensive, saying, oh wait, no, but the reason why this happened is because of that and this and that and all of these type of things there, instead of just being like, okay, the client didn't have a good experience. And the thing which I find most strange about this is it's struggling businesses that struggle to take criticism the most. Smaller businesses that are struggling are the ones which are like, you get a bad review, you can't talk to our business like that. Are you not the one who's done this? Are you not the one who done that? Actually, you did this. Actually, blah, 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 blah. All of these different things, right? And you're the struggling business. Can you not see a correlation between the way the bigger businesses treat their clients to the way the smaller struggling businesses treat their clients? Because it's a client experience. And a lot of barbers and barbershops are giving clients a horrible experience. And on top of that, you're refusing to accept it and get so upset when someone gives you a bad review. If you get a bad review, read the review and look at your business to see where you can improve. Stop getting so defensive. Like a client can't tell you that he or she didn't like her haircut. If they didn't like the haircut, they didn't like the haircut. I'm sorry you didn't like your haircut. What exactly is wrong with it? Can you send me a picture and a video? If you look at it and you genuinely think there's nothing wrong with it, fine. But if you can honestly see the problem, apologize, address it. Can you come back for another haircut? Can I refund you for that haircut? Do something about it. Do you know how many customers we have refunded in this business? People are always surprised when they hear a barbershop refunding people. Yes, because if we have done something wrong, we take it on the chin, accept it, refund, try and make it better and move forward. Don't look at my business and say, yeah, you're just doing great. You're just, and it is, you're just heavily booked up as a business. Customers are flowing. Do you know the customer experience? And understand this doesn't mean that the business is perfect. This doesn't mean that we don't do anything wrong. This doesn't mean that we don't get any bad reviews, because we do. But the way I have set things, the precedent I have set is, if we've done something wrong, we accept it, we acknowledge it, and we try and make it better. Go onto our Google reviews and look through all of the negative and bad reviews and look how we've responded to them. We are sorry about the experience you've experienced. Please can you give us your contact so we can reach out to you to make this better. The things you don't see after that is, okay, you've been wronged, sorry about that. You can get a free haircut and your next haircut is free. Or your next 2 haircuts are free. Or this, or that. But we are doing what we can to make it up to the client. I've had heavily bad reviews before. And I just accept it and try and make it up to the client. So barbers and barbershops, learn to take feedback, especially from the clients, the people that are paying your bills, the people that are keeping your business running and going and up. And when you start doing that, you might start seeing an improvement in your business. Advice with SliderCuts.